So hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Before we before we get started, make sure to subscribe. So let's get started.
Zombie apocalypse.
So first, oh, so today I will teach you how some options of Google Chrome customizing. You can see here. If I go to Google, you can give any background and you have this theme color, and you have shortcuts, and here are bookmarks, links. So I'll teach you how to add them and remove them. First I go to this shortcuts here. You can right click it, or you can click here and you can remove it or edit shortcut. You can name it anything you want. I'm giving SP WSP any name, but you need a URL. Okay. And you can also add it. You can paste a URL. Oh, I have already existed another URL. Or else you can also edit it and name it. I'm removing it, and that is the shortcut. If you want to remove all the shortcuts for you can also hide, and oh, I cancelled. You can hide and done, and there will be no, and you can also give them back. Here will be all the things. So here, there are two options. You can add your own websites, and you can add your most visited sites. There are most visited sites I went. You can scratch Facebook, and here are all. And you can also add and remove by yourself. So that was about the shortcuts. Now I'll show you how to change backgrounds. You can go here. Here is the option. Here is the customize button. If you click it, you go here, and you can give your own backgrounds here, and you can also upload it. Okay, I can also upload it here. Okay, I got unit JPG or JPEG and PNG. And there will be no videos. And yeah, I'm choosing another. It's nice. So that was for the backgrounds. And next is color and dim. There are lots of colors. I like black. I choose black. If red is, I don't like red in here. And you can also choose your own color. You can also, oh, you can also give anything you want. here's the colors. You can choose it from iDrop or any place. WhatsApp color. You can choose your WhatsApp color or any color from your PC are there. Yellow. So I'm choosing this black. From here you can also choose black. Same. You can choose your favorite color from here. And that was for customizing. And I'll show you how to add and remove and edit shortcuts. From here you can add any URL and any name you want. Like I have this, you can edit from here and you can change its name and or URL. Yes, you can add and remove. You can remove it by clicking it and remove. I'll not remove it. You can also remove it. And here are the bookmarks here. If you want, you can right click here, add page. Yeah. In the bar or other bookmarks or mobile bookmarks. I'm giving a scrap and I'm giving it an environment. There's the bookmark and you can also cut from here and you can also paste here and you can I'm deleting it because I already have this URL. So then you need customizing. You need a Google account here. So that was all for today. Thanks for watching and bye.